Hello my lovely friends, I hope everyone is doing well. If you're new to this channel, this voice is not what I normally sound like. I have been sick for the past few weeks and I'm on antibiotics, so I should be all better very soon. Just wanted to apologize because I haven't really been publishing much lately. It's been just hard to do it all with this condition here, but I'm actually feeling quite well. It's just something that bothers me to speak in front of the camera like this. It's just a little uncomfortable, but I hope it's okay for you guys. Anyways, a few weeks ago, I shared a video with 8 reasons why you have nothing to wear. So today I'm sharing a new video with what to pick when you have nothing to wear. Because believe it or not, that happens to all of us. I'm gonna be sharing some outfit formulas that work for me throughout the video, but in the meantime, I just wanted to share some ideas, and the first one is about color. And I think it's so important when you look at your wardrobe and you can't find anything right away and you're in a rush and you have to get ready. This is not a day for you to pick something overly difficult, right? You want to pick something easy, and I would say the first thing you should consider is the color. You should definitely start with something neutral. Even if you want to make a very fun and colorful outfit, it is really helpful to pick something neutral to just get started. Whether you're picking something in black, in gray, or white, beige, browns, I think it makes extremely easy to just add colors later. So I would say if you are overwhelmed and you're just trying to find something right away, start by picking something neutral. Again, could be any color you like. It doesn't have to be, there's no rule, by the way. You could definitely go with something colorful, but in my opinion, it's always more overwhelming to find things that match, especially if you're in a rush. So I would say, for example, if you pick a pair of black pants, it makes it a lot easier to just find a top that matches and a jacket that could be black, or maybe the color of the top you picked, or something in between. Let's say that you are wearing black and white and you want to add a little warmth, so you can add something colorful, or you can add something neutral but more on the brown side, like a beige or like a taupe. And in my opinion, that should be the first thing to look at. The second thing, which I noticed it helped me so much, is to choose the right fabrics. And when I say that, it doesn't mean you have to go and buy anything right now. I just feel like when you have the right pieces in your wardrobe, like staple pieces that have good quality and they look the best, when you put these clothes on, right away you will have a really nice and polished outfit, instead of picking that frumpy shirt that is just, that's like a t-shirt that's so see-through, and you just found something, but then when you put on, at the end of your look, you just feel like there's something wrong with it. So I think having some pieces that are really high quality, even if it's a simple piece like a tank top or a t-shirt or a button-down shirt, just by having these pieces in good fabrics, I think it makes a lot easier to put together an outfit. And when you're in a rush and you're trying to find something to wear right away, or you just feel overwhelmed and you can't really see anything going together, I would, after finding the color, I would try to just pick clothes that you already feel comfortable in, things that complement your skin tone. You know that there's always something in your wardrobe that you feel the best in. So I think this is the best day to pick these specific pieces. For the number 3, I picked sets. And sets, when I say sets, it doesn't have to be exactly the same type of fabric or the same exact color. It could be something that's similar, like a tonal outfit or a monochromatic outfit, whatever you prefer. In my opinion, sets are so easy to style, whether you're wearing that as a formal or as a more dressy outfit, or if you're just wearing joggers and a cashmere top. I think having sets in your wardrobe, it's just a game changer. At least for me, this is how I feel. And when I say sets, I don't just mean sets, I actually mean like one piece. For example, a jumpsuit or a long dress if you're in the summer, spring, early fall. And what I mean by that is that when you have bottom and top in the same color, the same shade or something similar, it makes it extremely easy to just throw on a coat or a blazer or just put accessories and you're ready to go. So to me, sets are a game changer, and they're usually something that I pick right away when I have nothing to wear. I have these pants that you see in the video. These are the Matthew trousers by Sezane, and they are definitely my most worn pair of pants during winter and just colder days. I love how they feel, and there is a sweater that matches it, which is the Betty cardigan. So I love wearing those two together when I feel like I have nothing to wear. It's just so easy to combine these. I put a little button down shirt underneath, or I just wear another thin knit underneath, and to me, I'm just ready. Of course, you can absolutely just tie a little scarf on your neck or simply put a brooch on the cardigan. You can put a belt if you want. There's just so many ways to dress up an outfit, and that's why I love sets, because by starting your outfit with a set, it just makes it so much easier to add on things. For number 4, I chose blazer, and I tell you that I would never be that person who tells you you need a shirt. Those are staple pieces. You need a t-shirt, you need a button-down shirt on your wardrobe. I'm not one of these people. I think depending on your body type and your lifestyle, a staple piece can be completely different for all of us. For me, for example, I don't really wear t-shirts. I don't. I prefer tank tops. I prefer knits. So I'm not gonna say that you should have a t-shirt or anything like that, but I do think a blazer is something that makes a huge difference in every person's wardrobe, and I'll tell you why. First of all, because blazers, you can swap fabrics, and for example, if you are in the summer, you can wear cotton or linen blazers. If you are in the colder months, you can just swap those fabrics and wear something in wool or corduroy or velvet. So blazers are extremely versatile. They are wonderful pieces that honestly work for every single body type. And when I say that, I'm not saying that the blazer that works for me will be the one that works for you. But the good thing about blazers is that you can find those super puffy shoulder blazers. You can find oversized, you can find boyfriend style. But you can also find more fitted blazers, double-breasted, single-breasted. There's just a million options out there. And in my opinion, blazers are just wonderful. I can't say enough how much I love blazers, especially in one of those days you can't find anything to wear. I think just by adding, let's say, a pair of jeans and a tank top, when you put a blazer on and you wear the right shoes, obviously, and a right handbag, you just dressed up your outfit. You're more formal, you're ready to go to work. Maybe you can't wear jeans for work, but you could definitely swap for trousers. And if you are in the summer and you feel like you don't want to wear a tank top or spaghetti strap kind of top because it just reveals too much, and you're going to a place that you still want to wear something summery, but you feel like you want to cover a little bit more, so blazers are there for you. In my opinion, they are one of the most versatile pieces out there, and I would highly recommend everyone to find the best blazer that works for you and have at least one in your wardrobe, because I think it's a wonderful piece. And for the last one, I would say find your outfit formula. And by that, I'm also talking about staple pieces here, because like I mentioned before, a staple piece for me might not be the same one for you. Like I mentioned, I don't really like t-shirts, but you might love them. I do love blazers. You might not love them. For you, a staple piece could be a cardigan. It could be a turtleneck. It could be a black pair of pants, trousers. So it really depends on your lifestyle, your body type, and of course your taste. So there's no rule, not one formula that fits everyone. I think it's very important to start analyzing what you're wearing, because this way you will know what makes you more comfortable, what makes you feel the best, and next time you try to find something to wear, it's going to be there for you. One thing that I love to do is when I find a good pair of pants, for example, pants for me, that's the hardest thing, because I have a ratio between my hips and waist that's quite tricky. I would say 36 or US 4 works perfectly for my waist, but it doesn't work for my hips. So usually I have to buy something bigger and have it altered, or I just have to suffer, because that's what I do for pants. But jokes aside, I think when I found this pair of pants from Sezane, for example, which is the Matthew pants, they are more on the casual side, but I definitely found a way to dress them up the way I want, because I just love how they feel, and I love how they make my body look too. I think it really works with my proportions. So that's something I would tell you. If you have a pair of pants that you really like, I would say instead of going crazy and just trying to find another one, something that's trendy and everyone is wearing, like wide leg trousers or like, I don't know, maybe high waist pants, it doesn't work for everyone. It's not because you are seeing everywhere that's going to work for you, and I understand that. I am not someone who goes with trends because obviously I do enjoy and I think I have a lot of fun with some trends. I'm gonna do a video on trends, by the way. But I think it's just so important to find what works for your body type, because this way you will always have things to wear. You don't have to go crazy buying new things, and even if you buy new things, it will be things that work for your wardrobe and for your body type. So I've been wearing the Matthew trousers forever, for the longest time. I have now the Matthew trousers in 4 colors, and I don't regret because I know I wear them all the time. They are one of my outfit formulas. I know they will go so well with so many different tops, and because of that, I've just been wearing all the time. Now, what are outfit formulas? Like I mentioned, it's just something that really works for you and you found that you just keep reaching for all the time. That's probably because it's comfortable for you, because it emphasizes something that you like on your body or de-emphasize something that you don't like so much. And by that, I don't mean that you should be uncomfortable with your body. I just feel that as a woman, we always have those days that we just feel the best, and there are those days that we don't. It's normal. There's nothing wrong with that. And finding clothes that will complement your body and will just help you feel the best, to me at least, is something really important. So for example, an outfit formula would be jeans with a t-shirt, sneakers, and maybe a coat, like a trench coat. You have an outfit formula. You can simply swap that by the colors. For example, you can change the textures. For me personally, I don't really wear sneakers a lot, at least now with dressy clothes, and I don't wear t-shirts, as I mentioned, at least not a lot. So a way to swap this and make my outfit formula out of this idea here is, for example, swap the t-shirt for a tank top or knit, because I really like. So I would do a tank top during the summer, but I would do a knit in the fall. For the sneakers, for example, I would wear probably loafers because I'm really into them. And if it's a colder day, I would just swap for boots, of course. So something appropriate for the weather that you live. For other people, what's going to work best is to wear a heel, maybe with this, or ballet flats, which I don't really like. But my point is, finding some things that work for your body type and work for your lifestyle is key here. You can reproduce, you can replicate this with other colors, with other textures, and I think this is the fun part of finding that outfit formula. You can see here as I speak some of the outfits that really work for me, and I'm sharing some of these formulas. I did mention about the Matthew trousers, but of course, even though I wanted to wear them every single day, I really do, because I love these pants so much. I do have some others, for example, trousers. I've been wearing wide leg trousers a lot, and these, they're not even super high end. They didn't cost much, and they are polyester. I don't normally go with polyester, but this polyester is not the same polyester that Shein sells, okay? I used to buy a lot from fast fashion, and not all polyester is created the same. And I'm not telling you that to go and buy all the polyester you find. I definitely think we should avoid synthetics as much as possible, not just because of the quality, how long they will last, but also the environment situation. If you can afford or if you can thrift, I think this is definitely the best. But I've been wearing these for so long and I've washed them many times. So what did I do? I bought 3 of them. I bought a white, a black, and a yellow. Of course, the black is the one I wore the most, but when the spring comes and I go to work, these are my go-to. I wear these pants all the time, and it's so easy to style with a shirt, with a knit, with a blazer. I absolutely love them. So find those pieces in your wardrobe. It's that one that you always reach for, and that's the one you should wear when you have nothing to wear. You start from that because you know for sure that this is the type of piece that already works for you. In my opinion, just to sum up the video, when you have nothing to wear, it's that moment that you don't want to go and just try that super cute outfit that you saw on Pinterest. I think you should save this for a day that you have more time and you can do a more elaborate outfit, because then you won't have any frustration. You will be ready to go and you'll be just feeling the best. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any outfit formulas, please write below. I would love to hear what your outfit formula is. I do love trench coats, blazers. I love, of course, wool coats. I've been wearing the most, I think, my Mederick, my decorated coat. These are robe coats and they are my favorite style, but you might like something more structured or maybe something that's more fitted. Like I said, there's no rule here. I think it's all about finding the balance, the right proportions, and just finding the pieces that make you the happiest. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.